I cannot have anything jinxed now, please.
What was the song that you were just singing, Anna?
This is where I would wear the chashma and that topa and that cigarette जो उसके मुंह में आता है कुत्ते के. Da 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 da. Who's gonna sing BMC? Huh? It's BMC now. Good night.
Cool, stop recording. Stop recording, boo.
Okay, no, let me sleep.
What do you mean let you sleep? It's bloody 11.
It's not 11, it's 9 o'clock. क्या है तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम? क्या है तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम?
हम एक हफ्ते के लिए जा रहे हैं.
Actually 9 days के लिए जा रहे हैं.
How are we going for 9 days?
We are going from Saturday to Friday. 1 week we're in Sri Lanka, and then 3 days.
Sunday we are back here.
2.5 days we are in.
चलो ठीक है. We are going for 9 days. चलो. एक सूटकेस काफी है. हम घर छोड़ के नहीं भाग रहे हैं.
अरे पर मुझे
हम वापस सेटल नहीं हो रहे हैं.
अरे
हम कंट्री को इन्वेड नहीं कर रहे.
अरे what? Ridiculous shit you're talking. Can I give you जवाब please?
What जवाब?
मुझे वहाँ पे कंटेंट करना है. लोग हमें होस्ट कर रहे हैं. मुझे अलग अलग आउटफिट्स चाहिए. हमारे होटल्स इतने सुंदर हैं. I want to be able to click pictures, content, travel content, international travel content. मैंने 2 साल में मुझे नहीं मिला है.
Baby, we will be staying at a hotel. We will be staying probably at a resort. People will host us for dinner. We're not staying inside a Bollywood song that you need outfit changes every.
What a
Oh no!
what a mean, stupid but funny thing to say.
What
5
happened?
points to Gryffindor. Actually, are you Gryffindor?
Anyway, coming back to this topic, appetizer के बाद तू क्या outfit change करके आएगी for
नहीं,
main
मेरा
course?
मतलब ये है कि मैं लंच में एक
मतलब अगर
आउटफिट
7 course meal होगा तो तुम 7 outfits
अरे
पहनोगे.
सुनो, मेरा मतलब है कि मैं ब्रेकफास्ट पे एक आउटफिट पहनूंगी, मैं लंच पे एक आउटफिट पहनूंगी, मैं शाम में एक सनसेट पे एक आउटफिट पहनूंगी, मैं डिनर पे एक आउटफिट पहनूंगी.
3 बजे?
बोला ना, लाइक लंच इज वन आफ्टरनून बेसिकली. दिन में 3-4 आउटफिट मुझे बदलने ही है. You are behaving like I've never done this for any trip. ये बड़ी बड़ी जो आके तुम्हारी बन रही है ना, वरना जो वोल्डेमॉर्ट की स्लिट्स होती है छोटी छोटी, ये वाला फेक सरप्राइज रिएक्शन तुम अपने पास रखो. यहाँ से छोड़.
Are you seriously planning to carry 2 big bags
No,
for a
Ray.
7-day trip?
No.
And that is only your stuff?
No. I'm planning to carry my cabin bag. I'm planning to carry 1 big bag, and then I'll shove some things inside your bag if I fall short of
One
space.
second. Please define what is my bag, because I am planning to carry 1 cabin luggage.
No check-in, right?
No check-in.
Great, that gives me the opportunity to.
Which basically means you're gonna carry 2 big bags.
If you're giving me the opportunity, then maybe.
I'm not giving you any opportunity. I'm just asking you.
तेरे मुखड़े पे something ना लगावा. देखेंगी, सोचूंगी, कल परसों कुछ कहूंगी. Okay, bye. What happened? Went up into your nose. You okay? कौन सा? अरे it hurts me.
Oh shit, I forgot to hit record.
Hi, hello. This is like a proper hello into today's vlog. आज का vlog थोड़ा random note पे start हुआ था. First there was Jerry, then there were some COVID tests. So let me give you some context on what's going on. First of all, let me tell you, I'm having the most blah day ever. घर के कपड़ों में निकल गई हूँ मैं salon जाने के लिए. My nails needed a refill, and today, apart from my nails, we're also gonna go and do my lash extensions. You guys know that I have a love-hate relationship with getting lash extensions, but I'm feeling really blah today. बहुत acidity हो गई थी दोपहर को. I was feeling super uneasy. My lips are feeling very dry because I haven't put any lip balm since morning. Normally I sleep with a lip balm on the lips, and सुबह में before I start glamming and all, इधर उधर lip balm डाल ही देती हूँ मैं. But I'm feeling so blah कि आज कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं था. Imagine me, I did not put any moisturizer on my body today, which is like the weirdest shit for me to share. But I'm saying this because those of you who've been following me for a while know how obsessively I put oil and moisturizer on my body a couple of times a day even. Yeah, so it's a fairly blah day. I am traveling in the next few days. In fact, inshallah, by the time this vlog goes live, I would have landed in another country. God, I really hope everything goes fine over the next couple of days, because Jerry and I have been in our bubbles for a while. We've been really counting on this trip. We're being hosted by a couple of hotels in Sri Lanka, really nice hotels in Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka is a country that I've been to and Jerry's been to, but somehow both of us actually haven't been together. We really need a break, in all honesty, so we are really looking forward to this. I also really miss creating travel content and travel vlogs and stuff like that, so it's something that I'm really looking forward to on a very personal note and on a professional note, because like I'm hoping that the content from here will be kick-ass. When I say here, I mean like from Sri Lanka. Preemptively, my mind is already in Sri Lanka, aise lag raha hai. Driving to Paint Box Salon, you guys know I always go there because I love them with my nails. I've been getting my nails done from there since 2014 or 15, I think. पहले उनका बैंड्रा में कार्टर रोड के पास अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दिस AC ना हमेशा पहले उनका बैंड्रा में कार्ट रोड के यहाँ एक ब्रांच था. कोविड के ठीक पहले दे स्टार्टेड अ सेकंड ब्रांच इन Santa Cruz, and then now they've given up their Bandra place. So I'm driving to Santa Cruz, which is near, the salon is very close to Juhu Garden actually, and alhamdulillah. This is the AC wala sneezing, don't worry. It always happens to me if I'm switching on the AC after a long time. I've stopped sleeping with the AC on at night, and surprisingly Jerry has been okay with it, because otherwise it's usually him who needs the AC and the fan on. Last few days even he's been saying कि नहीं बहुत ठंडा हो गया है. Bring on the Bombay winter memes already.
लगता है बर्फ पड़ने वाली है.
Okay, I'm gonna see you guys from the salon. I don't have much to share right now, and my blah mode is not helping. BRP. Stepping out of my car, Jerry and I have moved over from normal cloth masks back to our proper N95 masks, which frankly we should have all been doing to begin with. We were doing it, and then I think beach mein we switched over to like regular masks, and now we're like, देखो numbers बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं. Do the best we can. चलो, time to take off the camera and take it. Hi. कैसी है? मैं ठीक हूँ. Hello, namaste, back. Got my nails done. Okay, I have surprisingly actually never done a lilac set of nails. If you know me, you know I'm a complete nude baby. So this is something else and feels different and nice. I think I'm now gonna go driving to salon number 2, which is where we're going to be doing my lashes. I am feeling less in a blah mood right now. I'm definitely craving some evening ka cold coffee or adrak ki chai or something like that. Bhook bhi lag rahi hai thodi si, but getting my lash extensions done means I'm just basically going to be sleeping with my eyes closed for the next 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. So I usually just put on Friends in my ears and lie down and go to sleep, kind of a thing. I had a conversation with a couple of people about the lens that you guys know I've been going really back and forth on. I really want the lens to give you guys the immersive experience, that I really want you guys to be able to see more of things behind me in general also, and especially while traveling. But the weight is an issue, so I'm thinking, once I'm done with this, maybe I should.
Construction work everywhere. Construction work everywhere.
Maybe what I should do once I'm done with getting my lash extensions is go to Chroma, which is close to our house, and just pick it up one more time, that lens, attach it and all of that, and see if the weight thing can be something that I will manage, will get used to, etc, etc. Because I feel like that new frame will be worth it for you guys. It'll be a little bit of work for me, but ठीक है, चलेगा, शायद आदत पड़ जाएगी उसको मेरे को. But keeping my fingers crossed. Let's see. For now, it's time to go do the lashes. So you're saying the new thing that's happening right now is
It's called the eyelash lifting,
okay.
and so that happens on your own natural eyelashes.
Mm-hmm.
So they just curl naturally. So, like how when you put mascara and they curl. So if you can see mine,
Now I have to come close to you. She's shy. That's why we're blurring her face out, guys. Oh my god, those are your natural lashes?
Yeah.
I thought you got extensions.
no, these are my natural lashes. They're just lifted,
And how long does this last?
like 2-3 months.
No.
So if you have good eyelashes, we just
My hair looks like such a mess with this mask in the clip. I just realized
so
how
you
I
just
look.
curl your own natural
So
eyelashes.
do
So
my
you-
lashes qualify for like lash lifting?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They do.
But that would last that long?
Yeah. So you're not putting extensions. You're just own natural lashes, and you're going to curl it up.
But then they don't. Does it look like you're wearing like? See, when I do the extensions with you guys, it lasts for me. Personally, for me, I feel like it lasts me like 10 days.
Okay.
But my lashes look great for those 10 days.
Yeah, but this will last you like almost 2 months or more.
But have you put mascara on your lip
I
right
have
now?
put. You can put mascara, but they're lifted. They're naturally lifted. They're not like how they're down. Like
Yeah.
so they're lifted. You can check with Solam. She can guide you better with whether you
What
should do
works?
that.
Yeah, because I feel like my lashes are very scanty.
So you want to check with her?
Yeah, I don't. I
Yeah.
mean, if you. That's so
Lash
interesting.
lifting would do. Hello.
If my lashes qualify for.
Yeah, you can too.
So I told her it's.
What will look
This
better?
size.
Because I wanted to look because I'm traveling.
If
You want more volume?
If you
go
want
for the
volume, it's
extension.
that. But if you want a curly
And
look,
if you-
like a
Okay, so volume is extensions and curling is.
lash lifting.
Oh, but I'm a volume girl. Like, I don't mind less length in life. Like, even my mascaras, I choose basis like volume.
Then you should go for the extension.
But yours looks. I thought you got extensions.
No, no,
Like,
it's lash lifting.
it's really nice.
And I've done it almost more than a month back.
And what's the for a customer to understand also? What's the price difference between the two? Like,
The lash lifting is 3,500 plus taxes.
Okay.
And extensions, we have an offer running right now. It's 2,999 plus taxes.
oh, okay. So I'm gonna leave that in. You have till when is this offer running?
For this month.
The next day.
I feel like it's been a hot minute that I got so occupied with the day that I couldn't vlog. इतने दिन से daily vlogs कर रही हूँ, लेकिन कल की शाम थोड़ी सी उथल-पुथल हो गई थी. After I finished my lashes, which I'm absolutely like loving, by the way. I really feel like Brushes and Strokes has upped their game with their finish on the lash extensions so well. I'm really happy with the job. They have an offer going on, by the way, which they told me about when I went in yesterday, where it's 2,999 rupees for all the false lash extensions. Just in case you're someone who's based in Bombay and wants to try it out, that's a pretty sick offer, I think. I went to Mama's house and वहाँ पे उन्होंने एक कबूतर को rescue करके रखा हुआ था अपने पास. So I was so scared because like I it's weird, like I'm okay with cats and dogs, and I've gone to like a lion, like I'm okay with like animals, but birds scare me. It's just a really weird thing, I know. And I was like all uthal puthal mein. I was there for some time and then I came home and I got busy with things. We are flying out day after tomorrow, inshallah. At this time, it is 2:10 p.m. 2 days from now, the day you're watching this vlog, I will already be on my workation. I'm calling it workation because like it's a vacation, but I'm also planning to do a lot of content from there. As of right now, hi Sheikh and I are just about to get started. There's a lot of clothes here. I like to travel with as many like sourced clothes as possible, which is essentially designers that we know, brands that we know, relationships that we have, jahan pe I get clothes from them and they get pictures by giving this stuff to me, they get exposure by giving this stuff to me. मैं पहन के उनको tag wag करके I give these clothes back. That's how sourcing works. They get exposure out of this, and I get different clothes out of this, because this way I don't have to keep shopping, storing. It's just very wasteful. So right now I'm about to sit and try on a bunch of these clothes and figure which ones I like and which ones I want to take along with me on the trip. The screw up is that there is a special surprise towards the end of the trip, which you will see in one of the upcoming vlogs, and there's a little bit of a baggage weight discrepancy. I'll tell you about this much later, promise. अभी बोल दूंगी तो मजाक किरकिरा हो जाएगा, and I'll tell you why. मैं आपको अभी नहीं भी बता सकती, तभी बताऊंगी मैं. So like a week from now, let's say. चले ट्रायल्स करें, वरना मेरी बड़बड़ में मैं सरप्राइजेस रूइन कर दूंगी जेरी के लिए. हाँ, no footage of me doing fittings and trials for obvious reasons, and also see the looks from Sri Lanka.
2,000 years later.
Getting ready for a quick brand post I need to film, and I'm using so many verified samples right now. It's making my heart so happy. And as I started using one of our latest samples for something, the azan started, and I was like, such a beautiful sign. Alhamdulillah. Hello, it's been a crazy day. I have gone shot for a client. We also shot a Lodi reel really quickly and very impromptu. I'm gonna end this video here because the next, like, basically not couple of days, but basically this evening and tomorrow are basically gonna be nuts, since I need to finish all my packing, get things in place. I really hope the trip goes well. Leave me your good wishes, good juju down below in the comments, along with a comment with where fam in the hashtag. You third wala round nahi ho raha Punik. I'm gonna leave it here because you know I love reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of you. The where fam comment shout out for this video was to Noreen Khan. Thank you for talking to me in the comments. Your comments make my day. I'm gonna go finish off work and get to packing now, and I will see you in my next vlog, which will hopefully be from my travels. Oh god, I cannot have anything jinxed now. Please, already 2-3 trips have been like I'm gonna stop blabbering. See you soon. Bye. I love you. Mwah.